Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we have spoken about the story of drones and how they evolved from simply being a concept for a remote-controlled aircraft to an advanced weapon of high lethality that had entirely changed warfare prospects and ushered us into a new era of battlefield strategies. In this video, we will be showing the types of these warfare drones, the way they are used, and the technical variety of their features and purposes. Welcome to our channel. We'll kick this off with drones that are used for reconnaissance and surveillance in particular. A key model in this category is the RQ-4 Global Hawk. Of course, as the name suggests, this flying machine is meant to provide visual details of areas and subjects. They can reach an altitude of up to 19 kilometers and keep running for over 30 hours straight. The surveillance drones typically are equipped with electro-optical/infrared cameras, as well as signals intelligence systems which are mainly used for wide area surveillance. They are also equipped with SAR, synthetic aperture radar. Now, this radar is marvelous. It uses signals processed by an advanced technology to generate high-resolution detailed images through heavy clouds and total darkness, a most dependable feature for this type of drones. Next on our list are cargo and logistics drones. It's a bummer category if you ask me. And just as you expected, these drones are meant for loading and offloading supplies for troops in remote areas. Naturally, these drones are built with vertical takeoff and landing, and equipped with GPS-based navigation systems and obstacle detection technologies to autonomously navigate difficult terrains. Although a steady source of supplies in conflict zones is crucial, the improving of these drones is gradually being neglected, and they are gradually becoming redundant. Seeing, of course, that the whole point of drone-dependent battles is to reduce humans in areas in conflict to a point where you don't even need soldiers. Now for the next one, we have the suicide munitions, commonly known as kamikaze. And just like the classic Japanese kamikaze, these drones are designed for self-destruction upon impact. Now, you might think that this is exactly what a missile does, right? Well, not really. Unlike targeted missiles, which are designed to launch from point A to point B, a suicide drone is capable of a better understanding of its mission. These compact and portable drones can be deployed quickly by ground forces in relatively short time. They are equipped with onboard video and GPS for real-time targeting before diving right into the target. And to take it a step further, they are equipped with advanced radar homing sensors that allows autonomous locating and destruction of radar sources. They have dual electro-optical and thermal imaging sensors meant for precision targeting of mobile vehicles and fortified positions. Moving to the next type of drones, we have the target drones. Unlike drones we've discussed earlier, these drones are designed exclusively for testing and training only. The target drones are equipped with radar augmentation devices and infrared flares to simulate enemy aircraft. They can perform high-speed maneuvers and fly complex paths to mimic the behavior of hostile aircraft and high-speed missiles. They allow military units to practice engaging and neutralizing aerial threats with surface-to-air missiles and air-to-air combat. Though they are not really helpful in battles, they are quite essential in developing and improving air defense systems. Next in line are decoy drones. Similar to suicide drones in their nature, they are just as you imagined. They are designed to mimic the radar signatures of a manned aircraft to fool enemy defense systems. Their purpose is simply to confuse enemy forces and draw their attention away by simulating larger aircraft. Decoy drones create diversions that make it easier for strike teams to complete their missions without being targeted by air defenses. The next type of drones are something we may have only seen in science fiction movies: micro and mini drones. The name alone is enough to envision exactly what they are. weighing between 33 and 16 grams, no bigger than an insect that is. They are equipped with high-definition cameras and thermal imaging sensors that can provide live streaming feed. They have ideal stealth capabilities, making them almost entirely silent. Even in tight urban environments, they are too difficult to detect. These drones use GPS-assisted navigation and autopilot function, allowing them to be deployed quickly for short-range ISR missions and to give soldiers a tactical advantage by scouting ahead in complex terrains and inside buildings. And now finally, we have the combat or armed drones, also known as unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs for short. Well-known examples of this type are the MQ-9 Reaper and its predecessor, the MQ-1 Predator. As we have thoroughly discussed their capabilities in our previous video, they are specifically designed to ravage areas of conflict. They are equipped with Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs for precision strikes. These drones use multispectral targeting systems, including infrared and laser designation, to accurately hit targets from long distances. They are also capable of utilizing electro-optical infrared targeting pods and satellite communication links to engage ground targets. They are equipped with electronic warfare systems to provide tactical versatility in a range of combat roles, including air-to-ground attacks and suppression of enemy air defenses. You might say, they are the epitome of modern unmanned offense weaponry. This was our list for today. Now tell us, which of these drones were your favorite? Let us know in the comment section if you ever saw any of these drones in action. And if you liked this video, give it thumbs up and hit that bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.